Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. First message that we have today is, and God Himself shall wipe away all tears. You do not walk alone. God's angels hover near and all about. His love surrounds you, and of this be sure that I will never leave you comfortless. Whenever you feel low and down, call upon angels, call upon God, and He will wipe away all your tears. Our second card is Child of the Cosmos. The intelligence of the universe lies within you. There is a mysterious force that governs all of life. All intelligence that tells flowers when to bloom and the tides and seasons when to come and go. That intelligence is within you too. It was there before you drew your first breath, and it will be there well beyond your last. It's a part of you that informed every cell what to do when you were in your mother's womb. It's harder to resist this force than it is to surrender to it. Because Earth is a planet of polarity and free will, it is easy to forget that this intelligence exists within us. So often we become disconnected from this pulse of life and fall into the pattern of believing that we are separate or feeling that we need to go it alone. We can feel isolated and as if we need to figure things out for ourselves, to rely on our own strength. You're being called to remember the intelligence that's within each and every one of your cells. To remember that you are a precious child of a loving and gentle universe. That you have access to all of the intelligence, wisdom, strength, flow, and qualities there, are, or will be. And to remember that if flowers know exactly when and how to bloom, then you do too. This is an inquiry card. And the Starseed Soul Inquiry is, how can you surrender more deeply to the intelligent flow of life? Both our cards are giving the same message, that there is a higher power, there is higher intelligence, God. And that power is always with you. Many times, because of our ego, we think that we are separate. And because of our conditioning of the mind and the intellect, we think that we have to do everything alone, and we keep fighting the hard battles, and we keep resisting to the flow of life. So the message is, whenever you are facing hard times, difficult times, just surrender and call upon God, call upon angels, call upon that higher intelligence that is available to you, and that's within you. It is not separate from you. It is within each and every cell of you. So what we need to do is, we need to go within and call upon that power, and then that power, with so much love and compassion, takes care of us like a child. So those are the messages for today. Lots of love.